So we got a 2011 Toyota Corolla LE. I was having problem with the AC blower. It didn't work. I tried replacing the blower. The blower was good. The resistor was good. This part right here was good. And all the fuses, relays, everything was good. But for some reason, when you turn it on, it wouldn't work. Now it's working, and the problem was 50 amp fuse that goes in the front of the box, the box. But it's this one right here. It's on the birdie corner. I'll show you. But what I didn't replace this part, and it's a pain in the ass to try to get it out. It has some like a breach over here made of plastic on both sides. I just grind it off. I took this off, so you can see. As you can see, but it was right there. Let me show you. That on the birdie corner. That one right there. That one right there. What I did was I just took my soldering gun, put a little bit in there, and it's working. Working fine. I don't know how much this thing is, but and I'm not a mechanic, so but I fixed it. And to all you guys out there, good luck. Hope this video helped a little bit.